Welcome back, y'all, to my channel. My name is Shayla if you're new here, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. And if you watched my previous video, then you guys heard that I graduated from WGU. I completed my master's in business administration with a focus in management, and I'm super excited about that. And I want to do a diploma in cap and gown unboxing with you guys. So yes, I have received my diploma from WGU. I'm super excited and I want to open it with you guys. So hold that thought, we're coming back.
4 hours later.
So I have my diploma and I'm about to open it up with you guys. So let's do it. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So we're going to open it up. As you can see, I already opened it up, so we wouldn't have to go through all of that in the video. You know what I'm saying? So let's pull it out. I'm hilarious. Signed by the university president as well as the chair of the board of trustees. Here it is. Can you guys see it? I hope so. Take a picture. But yes, we have received the diploma, so it is official. I have completed the Master's of Business Administration program, and if you are currently in this program, then this may be what your future diploma may look like for WGU. I'm super excited about this, guys. You have no idea. I'm excited to share this with you guys. You guys have been along for the journey, and I definitely wanted to be able to have this moment with you guys. I'm excited that I completed for myself. And I feel like this master's program has definitely opened doors for me even before I finished it. So I'm excited to see where my career could potentially go with it. And as I've always said, like, I've just been always appreciated higher learning or learning period. Like, I always think it's good to like educate yourself on things you may want to know, or, you know, even things you don't think you want to know, like things that just come up. You know what I'm saying? It's important to always be a student, always be ready to learn. Like, it can only benefit you at the end of the day. And I'm somebody that, aside from like my 9 to 5, like, I also want to run my own businesses, and that's why I wanted to pursue a master in business administration, to kind of be able to give me that foundation. And that's what I feel like it definitely did. So super proud of this accomplishment. Super excited to get my diploma. And now for the cap and gown, right? Is this what we all been waiting for? I feel like this is what we all been waiting for, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is really it. Okay, I see what's happening. So it says my name on the inside, basically, and then it says hood, charms, tassels. We love it. So this is the package. Well, first off, we have the cap. And this came from, I think the company is Balfour Cap and Gowns that they use. So this is the cap, and it's in WGU's colors. Then we have the tassel. And the tassel has 2026 on it as well. It's really cute. Love it. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, what's happening? What is happening? What is going on? This is the gown. Pretty standard, I would say. Pretty standard. I'm not gonna try it on because I feel like that's just doing a lot. That is just doing a lot because I am gonna wear it eventually. And then we have the memorabilia. Well, actually, no, this is not what that's called. I have no idea what this is called, actually. I have one of these for my undergrad too, but I know it goes over the cap and gown, and it has a little brown on it on this side, and then the other side. Okay, there we go. I need to pull that out. But the other side is this blue, and I like this side a lot better. So I would probably wear this side over the gown because yeah, I like this a lot better. And I also got a frame for my diploma. So we're actually gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go get the frame because I wanna put my diploma inside of the frame. And yeah, so super cute. It was $52 for this cap and gown, just so you know, just so y'all know, if y'all want to, you know what I'm saying. But I'm like, I don't remember from my undergrad, but I'm like, I'm pretty sure, don't you have to order your cap and gown for everything? But it was $52 for this little packet, and if you want like other memorabilia and like stuff like that, then like you could order that on like Balfour's website and stuff like that. So I definitely think I'm gonna order like some more memorabilia, because for my undergrad, y'all, like I did not get like, I feel like a lot of like memorabilia. Like I have a couple of shirts or like a couple of shirts from like associations or groups that I was in, but I feel like I don't have a lot of like memorabilia. I feel like I don't even have my degree like on with me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely going to have to get my undergrad degree as well, so that I can frame that one as well and like put up some type of like memorabilia. But I don't have my cap and gown anymore, which I didn't really want it, but don't have my cap and gown from undergrad. I definitely need to get my diploma from undergrad, but yes, I have this diploma, so we're putting it in a frame. Quick intermission, y'all, because I had to grab the frame real quick. So I'm gonna open this up. And this frame I got from Amazon really quick because I just didn't want my diploma to like sit, you know what I'm saying, in the box for like so long. Ooh, so it's kind of like a brown, like a kind of like a mahogany brown. I don't know if you guys could like see. It's kind of like a mahogany brown. Let's read the instructions. Okay, so we have to take this out. We gotta take it out. Definitely gotta take it out. So take it out of this plastic. I mean, I'm not gonna hang it up because it also comes with like a stand. So this is kind of going to be on its stand. I just wanted it to obviously have somewhere to go. So now that I took it out of the plastic, oh my God, I was like, they gave me somebody's diploma? But this is just showing you guys like how it's gonna look like when I put my diploma in there. This is like a fake diploma. University of your graduated, Edward Adam Davis, like what? Mass of Communications. Yeah, like this is what mine gonna look. I thought they gave me somebody's diploma for a second. I was about to be like, what on earth? So it's saying something about an installation tool, but I don't see no tools that go with none of this. I don't see none of that. Okay, I think I'm gonna peel back these things back here. Like, I don't even, hold on. This is why you read instructions. Oh, that's why they saying with the installation tool, because these metal things kind of hurt. I'm like, what is going on? But it's like, no, it's just, and I swear they did not give me no installation tool. Like, that's the annoying part. Like, I hate when they like give you stuff and don't give you like all the stuff like that you need for it. Like,
what?
What's going on here, guys? What's going on? Okay, bow, popped it open, and now, okay, we're gonna take this out. This is the fake diploma that we just took out of here, and then I think my diploma is gonna go in between. So here we go. We got this, and this is black, so it would kind of have like a black trim around this one. And then, ooh, let's not drop the glass. This is a gold trim. So this will kind of have like a gold trim. Let me see. Because with the gold with the, I feel like the gold with the mahogany is cute, but there's like gold in the diploma. It kind of makes it stand out a little bit. What do y'all think? This? And let's show the black one more time. For this. get fingerprints all over my diploma, but I'm trying to figure this out. I feel like it's giving gold. Now the gold is in there. Now the diploma is there. I have to see what it looks like first. Oh, the gold is kind of eating. The gold is kind of eating. I'm not going to lie. Gold is kind of eating. I have to just make sure the sides are down. I can't wait to show you guys this, because it definitely eats more than the fake diploma in there, because I feel like now you can see it a little bit more. Yeah, I don't think I need to worry about the black, because it shouldn't show. And we're gonna put this down, back again, and I need to see. Hold on. Oh, this is kind of eating, y'all. This would eat on the wall. Are you kidding me? A little glare on it, but this is kind of eating. With the mahogany, with the, yeah. I really like this. I really like this a lot. Oh my gosh, you guys. So it's literally really official. It's literally official, but thank you guys for watching. I think I'm gonna do a video with more of my final thoughts, or my final review of WGU, so stay tuned with that. And I'm also going to do an update apartment vlog, kind of telling you guys how I'm liking my apartments. You guys know we moved in about like 7-8 months ago, so I feel like now I can really speak on it, you know what I'm saying? You really gotta live somewhere for a second before you can really give your opinion, but that's just a snapshot of the videos that could be coming next. And thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.